YouTube? This is Mark Woods with another video. Here to, inform you guys that I got the Brand X alternator hooked up. Let's see if I can let y'all see the old one real quick before we even go outside and check out the new one. There you go. And it look like the old one has been through a lot, man. If you look at it, look like it was about to go out probably. And if you guys can see anything up in here, if y'all see that it's burning out, let me know. But possibly it could have been burning out. Who knows? I had a lot of power going to that thing for a long time, for probably within a year and a half, probably a year and 4 months. However long this channel been, doing car audio. So probably about a year and 4 months. But, I want you guys to check it out. So let's go ahead and open up the trunk. Now I'm gonna let y'all know somebody did put it in for me. I could never find the best day to do it. Now this would probably been a good day to do it though, but I could never find a good day to do it. So here we go. Engine is, of course, it's hot. Of course, it's been riding for about probably 50 minutes to an hour. There I go. Brand X. And the one thing that I noticed, you got one screw up here, you got one screw down there, and then you also have a screw on the back of it for the power wire and everything. So it's not really that hard to do. You would need a 17mm screw for the pulley, and you would need a 14mm wrench, a 17mm wrench for the pulley, and you would need a 14mm for the screws on the top and the bottom. And the one in the back, I think it's just, I don't know, I think it's a regular, probably maybe about a 11mm. But yeah, it's hooked up. I have not yet to see any improvements of the in the voltage, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna come after I top the batteries off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna top the batteries off, but I'm still anywhere between 14.3, 14.4. But the voltage is not dropping harshly like that. I mean, only the lowest I've seen it drop so far was to 13.1, which is okay. I can take that. Your system is gonna play well while it's over 10 volts. So I know a lot of people be scared, well, it went down to 11 volts. I know it's gonna go down. You can't do nothing about it, man. And now that I have all this stuff up in here, everything, I got the 2 Group 31s, the 300 amp alternator, so that should be enough power that I need for what I got in the car. But we're going to check out something real quick. It will be non-copyright music, guys, but I'm going to try to make it as I'm going to try to make it as good as possible. And hopefully it sounds good to you guys. If you guys want non-copyright music, y'all can always go and request one. And I have a subscriber request that I do maybe every 2 weeks, sometime every week though, sometime every week. So here we go. So what we gonna play? This is a guy named Virgil Hawkins. It's called How He Smiles, Bad Ones. Well, it's How He Smiles, Bad Ones, featuring Virgil Hawkins. All right, let's check them out.
Sipping, I've been waiting for hours, I'm dripping. Dangerous. clutch. 2 more hours till I sober up. Let the smoke roll the flowers up. Allow me calling like some power puffing up the sound stuff. Then we plug the Uber. You can feel it, I sipping, I've been waiting for hours, I'm dripping to run. Asking like I'm up to Smurf bar and learn. All we ever do is take our demons church. Right by, hopping out bad side. I thought I was nice guy. I was still trying to find, and I can't ever stop. They love me like a fan. I think I'm so sick into the fucking plan. You know, plan is like I'm fan. Sometimes wish I could land. Flying like a cowboy. Nothing else, nothing no break. Snakes, I'm sipping. I've been waiting for hours and dripping to run.
Man, that one hit it hard, y'all. We might have to use that one again.
Good vibes forever.
That's another one.
I've been fucking on. I've been fucking up, I've been running out of luck, I've been running out of lies, I ain't running out of fuss, cause it's fuck you. I love everyone here but you, I hate you. I wish it was easy to replace you. When the liquor's too strong, somehow I mix my feelings with control. When time's not right, everything feels wrong, and I know it's not to have feelings this strong. It's so hard to carry it from me up in this moment. Baby, who is he? Don't tell him back up. Too overprotective for your heart, don't mean to act up. Relationship goals, they using our name for structure. Even when I'm with you, I'm a captain. I wish it was easy to replace you. I wish it was easy to replace you. I wish it was easy to replace you. I've been fucking up.
Let's pause it. I mean, yeah. I mean, I can't even hardly say nothing, so y'all know it's nice. You know. And Maybe I'll play that on the next subscribers request. So if y'all request that one, it sounds good, man. It sounds good. Now, as far as the SPL, you know, I have not really seen no improvements out of the SPL yet. So that's why I figured it wasn't really nothing to put on the video. But, you know, it sounds much harder in here, man. Like, my windshield wiper was just going crazy on that other song. Like, it wouldn't have no chance getting no rain off my window. That's how crazy it was going. But I hope you guys like the demo, though. I mean, it was just going so hard up in here. And so now I'm still trying to calm down a little bit and get over that. That was just that was 2 hard, dope, banging, non-copyright songs. And like I said, if you guys got any non-copyright songs requests, feel free to do that. That will probably get played before a copyright song would. But the copyright songs, if you got some copyright songs to request, you know, when you request it, I just put it on a playlist. It's called Subscribers, you know, on my playlist. So you can go look into my channel description and look into the playlist, and you'll find that playlist. If you want to check it out yourself or even add a song to it, it's okay. You know, but just don't add nothing up on it that I don't like. You know, if it ain't no good stuff that I don't like, then I won't play it, man. That's just how I am, man. I won't even play it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.